today on M.A.W. Well, I missed Wagtail Wednesday yesterday. Seems like the weeks are going by faster and faster. So, since Wagtail Wednesday has passed, I'm going to show you what I was going to show you today. So, I didn't upload the video, but you're going to see it today. We have some shop bay doors, and I'm going to show you 3 tools of Wagtails that'll get you through your route work and your maintenance and your monthlies very, very quickly. Now, which out of the 3 is the fastest that you can buy from Wagtail? Well, today we're going to put this to the test, and you decide for yourself which one you can get, because not everybody's going to be able to use each individual Wagtail like it was meant to be, because it takes some learning. You got to pick what tool you think you can learn on the best out of Wagtail. There is other tools that you can learn and that I suggest you start off with, but ultimately you want to work up to the Cadillac of squeegees, whichever that may be, which more or less boils down to a preference. So, today we're going to use the 6-inch Magic Eraser 1-pass tool with the PC pivot over the top. Then we're going to use the water-fed Wagtail High Flyer 14-inch, the Cadillac of squeegees, in my opinion. Then we have the King Kong of squeegees. Well, not of squeegees, but this is the King Kong for Wagtail. This is Wagtail's wide-body version, the Orbital. And this is a combo tool, water-fed combo tool. Now, they do not make this in this size for you to buy. They make smaller versions of the combo, mop and squeegee combo, but you won't find it in this size. You'll have to make it yourself. And very few people will have this size squeegee, 30-inch Wagtail, because the bigger the channel is, the less resistance on the ends when you're dealing with a swivel tool in general. Because a swivel tool lacks the pressure the bigger the channel gets, which is why most people don't either buy this or they don't know how to use it, because they're so used to using smaller tools. But as you can see from my previous videos, I use this, I swivel it, and I use it very well. And I have no problem with it. It just means you'll have to adapt to the tool. Most people aren't ready to do that. And in most cases, you're able to clean a window just as fast with a smaller tool than using a bigger tool. But today we're going to find out if this indeed is fast. Now, if you're doing straight pulls on these little garage doors, obviously you can't swivel them. So the smaller tools, even though they're smaller, should be able to keep up with this, if not be faster. Now, if I'm doing straight pulls, it's not a fair comparison, because I would have to do 2 or 3 straight pulls. And if I'm using the 6-inch Wagtail 1-pass doing straight pulls, that tool was not made to really do straight pulls. But if I had to, I would have to do about 5 or 6 straight pulls. And in which case, it's not a comparison then, because it will be left in the dust. So, in any which case, to keep it fair, I'm going to take the shortest route possible and map my plan of attack with the size tool. I'm going to scan my window, and I already know the size of the tool, and I'm going to see which is the quickest way to clean that window. So it doesn't really matter how I clean it, but rest assured, this is how you want to be when you're doing your route work. You want to look at, have it in your mind what size squeegee is going to allow you to do the less amount of movement in order to be fast and stick and move. But I'll see you, and let's get to work.